Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RGS Info. In this video, I am going to show you how to reconcile dealer's account or debtor's account. First thing, we need to get consolidated dealer ID, dealer name. First we start with dealer ID. For that, just copy entire range, paste it, remove duplicate, continue with current selection, get the name, use VLOOKUP, freeze it, column number 2, 0, there are 8 dealer IDs are there. We need to consolidate total due amount, index, SUMIF, bracket open, dealer ID range, freeze, then criteria dealer ID reference, then sum range, amount due, 0, enter. We need to freeze here also. Are tallied. Then we have to get the aggregated amount of receipts. For that, again the same process, index, SUMIF. We need to give range of credit side. Freeze, comma, reference, dealer ID, then comma, again get amount from credit side, freeze, bracket close, comma, 0, bracket close. To get balance, just try simple formula. These are the amount due. So we have to check one by one invoice number. First we check with Ravi Traders. For that, make some ascending order based on dealer ID. It will be very easy to analyze the data. From this statement, we can observe that 2 payments are received, only this is pending. We got dealer ID wise balance. We need to get invoice wise what are the due amount. For that, use index. We need to give 2 references. One is dealer ID and another is invoice number. So for that, use SUMIFs, bracket open, click on credit to get receipts amount, freeze, criteria range, dealer ID, freeze, then reference should be dealer ID. Next, criteria range for invoice number, reference is invoice number, range, freeze, then give invoice number of debit side. Comma 0 bracket close. For getting balance, simply try this. For Ravi traders, this is okay. Then Bharat hardware, this is match. This is totally due 9541 3413. This is the simplest method to reconcile any type of ledger, debtors or creditors, any kind you can be able to reconcile it. If you like this video, share it, comment it. Thanks for watching our video. Have a nice day.